Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your GTU exam of Construction Engineering and Management, that is explain in detail resource smoothing method of resource allocation. Okay. So resource smoothing is resorted or done when there is a restriction on the duration of project completion time. The resource smoothing is applied in such a way that the total project duration remains the same. There is no change in the total duration of the project. First, the period of minimum demand for resources are determined or located, and the activities are shifted according to the availability of float and requirement of resources. Thus, the intelligent use of floats can be smoothen the demand to the maximum possible extent. This type of resource allocation is known as resource smoothing. Now, steps in resource smoothing. First, the list of resources required for the execution of different activities is prepared and the important activities are identified. The resource profile are prepared by resource aggregation and cumulative resource requirement for each unit are plotted in the form of histogram. The time periods of peak and low demand are identified and the peaks are lowered and the troughs are filled up. If there is no restraint on the availability of resources, the demand of resources should be made as uniform as possible. This can be done by changing the time of start and finish of non-critical activities in the first instance. These activities have some float, hence the available float can be used for doing adjustment in the start or finish of the concerned activities. Thus, the peak demand may be lowered by staggering the resource requirements without delaying the project duration. I hope all of you are clear about this. Thank you.